All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
Even as the Indian Air Force's long wait for the single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft Tejas Mark I continues, there are indications that the fast-depleting fighter fleet of the IAF will be rejuvenated with the induction of 5 Tejas fighter jets after April. As the US-based aerospace and defense company General Electric assured that the supply of F404 jet engines will happen in March, Tejas maker Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, will fit them onto the 3 Tejas Mark I jets that are ready in the flight line. According to a Times of India report, HAL will have 5 Tejas Mark I jets and 4 trainers ready by March to April. If the GE engines begin coming, fitments can be done in a few days, TOI quoted a top defense source as saying. The report suggested that if the supply of engines happens on time, HAL can scale up production of the fighter jets to 20 per year. The first Tejas Mark I-A should roll out of the Nashik line a month or two. HAL is also subcontracting private companies to build wings, fuselages and the like. If they deliver, Tejas production can even go up to 30 per year, TOI quoted the source as saying. The Tejas aircraft is a potent platform for air combat and offensive air support missions while reconnaissance and anti-ship operations are its secondary roles. Earlier this week, Air Chief Marshal AP Singh said the IAF didn't receive even the first batch of all the 40 Tejas LCA though the first one was inducted way back in 2016. HAL has supplied 38 aircraft so far and the last 2 trainers will be delivered shortly. From the existing stock of reserve engines, HAL has produced the first LCA Mk1A while the second one is on the assembly line. The first LCA Mk1A is now flying for various trials and is likely to fly in the upcoming Aero India 2025.